Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Yeah, welcome to this tutorial. Here I'm going to be showing you how to create your repertoires page, of which we all know is very easy. It's one of the easiest page to create using WordPress. So because it contains just write up an image, probably write up about your company and an image. You might not even need a page builder to build this. Okay, I guess that this one will not take us up to 5 minutes, so let's go straight to the point. I'll just go to my menu. I'm looking for pages, so all pages. The battles. Alright, these are battles. You can see this form that we're making use of. This Niger form, can see is here. In case you want to input a form field to this place, you can easily go there and do that. Very easy. So since we have already installed the app, and you can see that we have our page builder here, which we have been using since to create our pages. So you can also do that. You can use the page builder to create this page. But for now, I think I'm just going to use okay, let me just use page builder. At least using page builder is more accurate. So let me revert to page builder. I'll click on page builder. Alright, as usual, first thing to do is to click here. So I have to set up the role. Okay, I want it to be just plain one image. I'm adding image. So click on insert. So I'm going to add just one image. So the next thing to do is to click here. I'm going to add image. Set origin image, okay. Image. So once you click on, once you add your image widget, it will automatically open up for you to edit. So I already have image. If I don't have image, I will simply just come here and upload files. I already have them here, so I'll just click on the one I want and hit add. So I want it to be full width and full width. I'll click on done. So I'm done with that. So I'm still going to add another row. Here I'm going to put up right top. Add another row here. It's still going to be one. Just one. So I click on insert. Alright. You know I can shift this thing upward and I can bring it back down. All you need to do is to just use this particular up and down button. You drag it up. By dragging it, you move it up, you can move it down. So this I'm going to add right up here. I need test. I will add test. Alright. I think I have some tests to add to this. Okay, let me just copy something. Let me just copy this. So I'll copy that. So I will just put get to notice about for our company. So I'm going to just paste what I copied here. So I'm going to hit done. Alright, I'm done with that. So let me update the page. Let me update. I said this thing will not be more than 5 minutes. I already have more than 5 minutes here. Network is slow and my screen recorder is dragging my phone backwards, so this video is supposed to be 5 minutes. So okay, it has been saved, so we'll check out our website now. Contact us. Okay, please contact us. Let's go to about us. Okay, you can see the image we uploaded. Get to know about us, get to know about our company. Alright, so that's how to create about us. Very easy. You can see the way the image is aligned because we use page builder. If I just put in the image like that, I put up the right up, it will not be aligned. You can see right from here, the header is aligned and the right up. If you're using laptop, you see that the view is going to be very, very nice, and the image, everything is separated. That's why we use page builder, and there are a lot of things you do with page builders. So in our next class, I'm going to show you how to our header image. We are going to show you how to put up right up. You already know how to do that already, but I'm just going to add right up to that. See you in my next class.